disorders of human reproductive system, and this disorder will be of male first. The first disorder is prostatitis. Okay, whenever there is a tis at the end of a disease or disorder, that means inflammation. What is prostate carcinoma? Cancer of prostate gland is known as prostate carcinoma. Cryptorchidism, we have already discussed the disease when the testis fail to descend into the scrotum. Okay, that disease is known as cryptorchidism. All right. What is impotence? Impotence is a condition when there is a erectile dysfunction. You know, sterility. Sterility is a condition when sperms are not able to fertilize. That may be the low motility reason, maybe the improper shape, or maybe low count of sperm. You know, the oligospermia. Hydrocele, you know that there is a fluid between testis and scrotal wall. है ना? That fluid is known as hydrocele. When this fluid gets accumulated in accumulation of fluid in tunica vaginalis. Okay, so this condition is known as hydrocele. That result in enlargement of testis, obviously. Last one is inguinal hernia. In this case, there is tearing of inguinal canal. What will happen? The inguinal canal through which the spermatid cord comes down. There will be a tearing of inguinal canal. So whenever there is a tearing, there is a chance of intestinal part to descend into scrotum. Okay, this condition is known as inguinal hernia. Are we clear? We are done with the disorder of male reproductive system.